Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Genome Wide Study. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all the new videos. In this tutorial, we will try to get the GO IDs through protein sequence of our gene or gene family or CDA sequence or the genomic sequence. Any type of sequence of your gene, single gene or a gene family you have, either it is in protein form, either it is in CDS form, or either it is in genomic form, so you can easily get the GO ID of that gene, a specific gene of a single or in a family, and then it's the KEGG IDs that genes or gene family have what type of KEGG IDs, and also the KEGG pathway ID, that these genes or your gene family involved in which pathway. So how we can get? Let's start. For example, I am working on a gene family and these are their members. These are about 12 or 13 members, and I want to know that these members have what type of GO or KEGG IDs are involved in what type of pathway. So I have only the protein sequence, so I will use this protein sequence to get these IDs. So first we will open our Google or any search engine and then write in Google that egg EggNOG-Mapper. So you will get this website. So the link of this website is also present in the video description. You can follow that, and then here you can select that what type of sequence you have, either you have the protein sequence or CDA sequence or genomic sequence or metagenomics or seed, what type of sequence you have. So you select that type of sequence. So I have the protein sequence, so I select the proteins and then I will choose the file. This is my file of that protein sequence, and here you give the email ID of your email ID, and then you need to select eggnog 5 or novel family. If your genes belong to the novel family which is not already how to say documented or like this, so you select this. If you think that it is belong to existing, then you select this eggnog 5 and then click on submit. So when you submit your job, so message comes that we have sent a message to your email, so check your email. So you will open your email that you have entered in that EggNOG-Mapper website, and in the inbox you will find this email. So open that email. So here you find some information about your gene or protein family, and then you need to click here, click to manage your job. Mean they have sent to you to your email, so you open that email and went to the inbox, find that email, and then you need to click that box that is click to manage your job. So when you click on it, so it will top up you on another website, so another link or window. So here is your job number and status is ready. So here that you want to start this job, then, and here are some information about that how many sequences, total length, how much of these sequences, and much more. So here you can click on start job. So it will take some time. So here is status is started and it automatically refreshing after 5 seconds or like this. So it will take some time. It depends upon the how many number of sequences you have or you have entered. So we will wait till it is finished. So when it finished, so here a status comes done. So when it done, so you can check it that explore the annotation and download these annotation or something that in CSV file or GFF file or Excel file. So here you can first check. So these are the gene name. This is the orthology that from which this gene is belongs to, that is the GO ID, the e-value score, and this is the EggNOG IDs, and this is annotation, and a KEGG category description that it belongs to which category or what functions. This is the GO ID of that gene, and EC number, that enzyme number are the that used in the KEGG pathway, KEGG number, KEGG pathway number, and much more. These are so information, lot of information you can get about this. But if we want to download these all information, so you need to click here, access your job file here. So when you click on it, so a new window appears. So you need to download or click this OutMapper annotation. This one here, you can click it, OutMapper annotation, and download it. It will start to download. So it will ask you about the pathway, that where you want to save this. So I want to save in this folder. So then here you can click and save it. So your file is saved. Here is your file that is you have downloaded. So now you need to open the TV tool. So open the TV tool, go to the Go and KEGG, and then here common tools, EggNOG-Mapper helper. Click. When you click on it, so here set input EggNOG-Mapper annotation result, that the file we have downloaded from the EggNOG-Mapper website. So that one, out.emapper.annotation, drag it and put it here, and then here the output directory. So also give this one the output directory and click on start. Congratulations, extract info finished. So this, it didn't take it takes only the less than 1 second to generate this. So here are our output files. That one is the output annotation description, that a description of that all genes. This is the gene IDs, and these are the description that they belong to which family or which functions. And another one is the Go annotations. These are the gene names, and these are their Go IDs. And this is the EC, KEGG EC, and this is the K KEGG or K IDs, and this is the KEGG pathway IDs of each gene, and these are the PFAM domains of that ID. So you can get all this information, and then you can use these Go or KEGG pathway analysis for further enrichment analysis, or making that bar chart or like this. If you want to do that, how we can use these IDs to do the Go enrichment or KEGG analysis, you can follow the videos that I have already prepared, or you can find that videos at the end of the video screen. Hopefully this will help you. If you have any query, please comment. Also don't forget to like and share and comment the video. Thank you.